How to enable or disable audio sync in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your clips are located. Next, select the video and audio clips you want to sync by holding the Ctrl key and clicking each clip or dragging by a selection box around them. Then, right-click on the selected clips to open the context menu. From here, choose the audio sync and then auto sync audio option. This offers two options for syncing audio and video by timecode or waveform. To enable automatic audio sync, select either of them. DaVinci Resolve will then analyze the audio and align your clips accordingly. If you want to manually sync the audio and video clips, select them both, right-click and choose Link Clips. This will keep the clips synced as you move or edit them together. To disable audio sync or unlink clips, right-click the linked clip and choose Link Clips again to toggle the link off. This lets you move or edit audio and video independently. Remember, unlinking clips does not remove the sync data, but allows for manual control over the clips until you choose to link them again. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable audio sync in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.